Hello everyone. I am Kartik Mishra, your study partner. Welcome to channel Learning is Fun. This is my first video and I hope you will like it. Today we are going to study maths. So let's start the video. But before we start, I request you to please like and subscribe the video. So let's start our journey and explore it. Today we are going to study chapter 1 integers. Here we go. Okay, these today we are going to study only 4 pages because this is our first video. Okay, first, chapter 1 integers. Introduction. Numbers. What are numbers? Numbers are just like 10, 20, 45, 70, minus 38, minus 56, minus 37 upon minus 5, minus 77 upon minus 6, 2.45, 3.46, minus 37.5, under root 2, under root 3, under root 5, pi, etc. Now you will ask, what is pi? Pi is equals to 22 upon 7. This is the value of pi. Okay, so let's start. It. Now, what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are denoted by n. Natural numbers means the numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and infinite. Numbers are infinite, they don't have any end. Okay, now next we will move to whole numbers. Whole numbers is denoted by W. Whole numbers are natural numbers including 0. Natural numbers doesn't include 0, but whole number includes 0 and all the natural numbers to infinite. Okay, now what are integers? Our main topic. Integers are always denoted by Z. This is number line. Wait, you will clear it. Okay, this is the number line. Here is 0. Here is 0. 0. Okay, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, infinite. And here is also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and infinite. On the number line, like I will explain, this is number line. Here is 0. All the numbers on the left side of 0 are called integers and all the number on the right side of 0 are called natural numbers or positive numbers. The greatest negative number is minus 1 and the smallest positive number is 1. 0 is nor a positive number nor a negative. Okay, now we will study the definition. Okay, the collection of positive numbers and negative number with 0 is known as integers. The collection of positive numbers and negative numbers with 0 is known as integers. Okay, now move on. Now we are moving on the next slide. Here is our next slide. In this slide, we will study about operation on integers. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We can perform these operations on integers. Okay. First, addition and subtraction. Here we will study about rule of sign. If we have positive and positive number, the answer is always in positive. And if we have negative and negative number, the answer is also positive. We will study example of this also. But now, if we have negative and positive number, so the answer is always negative. And if we have positive or negative number, the answer is also always negative. Means plus and plus is plus, minus minus is plus, minus plus is minus and plus minus is minus. Now we will study the definition. After solving, put the sign of greater number in answer. Okay. Now we will study example. First example, 2 plus 4 is 6. Here 2 is also a positive number and 4 is also a positive number. So positive in positive is always a positive number. Okay. Now example 2. Minus 8 minus 7 is minus 15. Minus 8 and minus 7 equals minus is always plus. So we have plus 8 plus 7 is 15, and here we studied the definition. After solving, put the sign of greater number. So greater number is 8 and sign of 8 is minus. So answer is minus. Understood? 8 and 7. Understood? Okay, next. Minus 4 plus minus 3. Here we have to first solve this bracket. So plus minus is minus. So our next step is minus 4 minus 3. Now here we have minus is always plus. So 3 plus 4 is 7 and the sign of greater number. Greater is 4. So the sign will also in minus. Understood? Now next. Minus 8 minus 10 is equals positives 2. Okay. First of all, we have to solve the bracket. So if we solve the bracket, here we can see minus and minus. So minus plus. So minus 8. Wait a minute. Okay. So minus 8 and plus 10. So if it's minus plus, so we have to do minus. So 10 minus 8 equals 2 and the sign of greater number. Greater number is 10 and the sign of 10 is plus. So answer is plus 2. Understood? Okay. Now we move on the next slide. Okay, next page. Now the sign of multiplication and division. Here we will also study plus multiplied by plus is plus, minus multiplied by minus is minus, minus multiplied by plus is minus, and plus multiplied by minus is also minus. So we studied this also. Okay, now we will do example. Minus 8 multiplied by minus 2. So minus is plus. So 8 2s are 16. Our answer is here. Now minus 10 into plus 7. So minus multiplied by plus is always minus. So here minus multiplied by plus. Okay. So the answer is minus 70. Because 10 is in minus and 7 is in plus. So minus into plus minus. So our answer is minus 70. Third, minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. Okay. So here we will do, first of all, we will solve the brackets. So minus is plus. So 6 into 4. Now 6 into 4 is 24 is our answer. Here it is 24. Okay. Now we will move on the fourth example. Minus 144 divided by minus 4. Now minus is always plus. So we have put minus 144 divided by minus 4. Minus to minus cut and 144 in 4's table is 36. So our answer is 36. Okay. Now fifth number. Minus 100 divided by 8. Minus plus is minus. So 100 divided by 8. So if we cut it from 4's table, so it is 2, and here 25. So our answer is minus 25 upon 2, because minus plus is always minus. Okay. Now we will move on last example, minus 50 divided by 5. So minus 50, it's minus 50 divided by 5. Minus 50 divided by 5. So here 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. So our answer is minus 10, because we have to put sign of greater number, and greater number is minus 50. Okay, understood? Now we'll move on our last slide, which is properties of integer. Properties of integer. So properties of integer, there are 6 properties: closure property, commutative property, associative property, additive identity, multiplicative identity, and distributive property. These all properties are followed in the solving equation of integers. Okay. So about this property we will study in our next video. So for today it's enough. I hope you like the video. So please like and subscribe our video so that we can get appreciation. Thank you.